In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a Gmail work profile, GWP. To begin, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Make sure you are signed in to the Google account you want to use as the starting point for your work profile. Once Gmail loads, you should be on your inbox page. If you see a different view, simply click Inbox on the left side to return to the main mailbox. Next, look toward the top right area of Gmail. You will see the Settings option, usually shown as a small gear icon. Click that Settings area to open the Quick Settings panel. This panel gives you fast access to a few common options, but for setting up a work profile, you will need the full settings. In the Quick Settings panel, find and click See All Settings. This opens the complete settings page for Gmail, where you can manage account features, importing, forwarding, and more. Give the page a moment to load because there are multiple tabs across the top. Now click the tab labeled Accounts and Import. This section is where Gmail keeps options related to account connections and sign-in related features. Once you are in Accounts and Import, scroll slightly if needed until you see an area labeled Change Account Settings. This is a heading that groups related options underneath it. Under Change Account Settings, find the link that says Using Gmail for Work. Click it. This will take you to the pathway Google provides for moving from a standard Gmail experience to a work-focused setup, typically through Google Workspace. This is designed for professional use, and it can include features like custom business email, administrative controls, and additional management tools. On that same area, click Try at no cost. This starts the sign-up flow, so you can explore the work profile option without paying right away, depending on the current offer and your region. Finally, when the next page appears, click Upgrade your Google account. This confirms that you want to begin upgrading toward a work profile setup. From here, you will follow the on-screen prompts to continue the upgrade process. And that is all there is to it.